Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 3D objects, different views. When architects draw the plan of a house, for example, they do it on a flat sheet of paper. In order for the builder to be able to construct the house, the architect draws plans which show different views of the house. The most common views are the front, rear, sides, and top, or the above view, and the above view is sometimes called the plan. So to the right we have an example of plans with different views of the same house. So we've got all these views here. Here's the floor plan, if you like, just looking at the floor plan from the top. There's a front view, a rear view, a left side view, and a right side view. So with all that information, the builder is able to build a house. So let's look at some simple 3D objects now, and let's look at their different views. So here is a very basic 3D objects. When you look at this from the top, that's the plan view. When you look at it from this side, that's the front view, and that's what you see. When you look at it from the side, that is what you see. So there's three basic views of that 3D object. Here's another 3D object here. If you look at it from above, that's what you see. Look at it from this side, that's what you see. That's from the left side. And if you look at it from this side, that is what you see. So these are the views. This one, and that one, they are what you see on the normal flat sheet of paper. Here's another object here, a 3D object. If you're looking from the top, you'll see that. If you're looking from the front, you'll see that. That's that direction there. And if you're looking from the side, you will see that. That's that direction there. Let's look at this one here. There's the top view. That's what you'll see. That's the side view, which is this one. And that's the front view, which is this one. So we have front, top, and side views. So draw front, top, and side views of this square pyramid. So there's the square pyramid there. Okay. So the top view, you basically see a square with a cross. And that little point there, that's the top of the pyramid. See, that's right up the top there. The side view from here and the front view from there look exactly the same. Okay, because it's a square pyramid, so they look exactly the same. Now, I'm sure you can get some of these 3D objects. You might have them in your classroom or other similar 3D objects. Place them on the desk and have a look at them from different sides, and you'll see what I mean by the different views.